Today I am reviewing the XTOOL D7S. This is their smart diagnostic system. They sent me this to review and I can't wait to check it out. I got all these old hoopties out here and this makes life a lot easier to figure out what is going wrong with them. I reviewed one of their other scanners in the past, and this has even more features. I was impressed with that. You can see it all comes very nicely packaged. And look at this cool hard carrying case. Great for the mechanic or DIY person yourself. You open it up, has a couple clips right here. I'll open it up. And you can see everything comes very nicely packaged, has extra foam and these straps to keep your nice scanner all staying brand new. No oil stains on this one yet. Pretty cool. It has, you can see it has this nice 7-inch display, nice grips on it. Has input here for the USB, your 12-volt input to charge it, and here for the OBD too. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. All right, so I got my truck running. You can see all the screens right here. It has auto scan, special function. Can print out reports. You can check for updates. Go to more. I'm going to plug it in. We are all plugged in. Go ahead, hit auto scan. See if it'll pull it up. You can see it has my vehicles. You can go Europe, America, Asian, check out all these different cars features in here. Looks like it is communicating. GM, that is true. And then you can save them to your my vehicles. Have them in there for the future. Turned up the brightness on the screen so you could see it as good as you can. That's not taking too long. And we are Sierra 4-wheel drive. Okay. Yep, that's it. Let's do an automatic scan. So we got a failure here in the powertrain, it's saying. See if we can, scanning everything else, sensors, BCM failure it says. It even does memory seat module. This is going in depth on here. It says it's going to scan 12 different things. Memory mirror. Even OnStar. Yep, auto ride, I got that because it's a Denali. Alright, so it looks like everything is normal, but in the powertrain. An engine misfire detected. Okay. Let's go to diagnose. And in here, it gives you a bunch of, you can do special functions. You can read the trouble code. Let's go to read ECU. Okay. So it gives you all the things to calibrate. Don't need that. Read the trouble code. Yeah. So we have an intermittent misfire. You can clear it. And now there's no trouble codes. Checking this system. Yeah, I don't think this truck has that. So we'll go back and oh, look, you can check the transmission in there. That's pretty cool. You can check the different solenoids. On one of these, that'd be very useful. So let's go to live data from the PCM. Misfire, that's what we're looking for. Communicating. the engine speed. There's a misfire count on the different cylinders. So looks like none on 7. Let's see who has a history. Looks like they're mostly on cylinder 2, cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or 1, 2, and 3. So you can read it in there. Oh, there's a interesting on cylinder 3. Give it a little rev. Some of your spark is good. So cylinder 7 looks good, which is what I had a problem on before. Some on cylinder 6, and I'm pretty sure that's on the passenger side bank on here, so I need to check something. Something's misfiring on that side. I'll go out of here, look at some other engine data. Something I like to check. So banks, all of these. Check your banks, make sure they look okay. Spark, that's right. Okay, let's go to number 2, see what else we have in here. Idle speed, yep. Your MAF. Oil's on. Yeah, everything looks good in there. See some of the other features it has on here. Transmission. So that is especially useful, especially if you're buying a car. Okay, so it's telling you all the stuff I could do. Where's the, let's say the fluid temp, very low. We have a big old cooler on there, very cool. Everything looks good in there. Let's go out of here. Try to get a freeze frame of this. Yep, nothing in there. That would be special functions, fuel system, fuel trim. Something I always like to look at. Show live data. This is pretty cool here. It says you can, there we go. All that stuff. All the fuel trims. You can do a reset. That's pretty neat. In case it's running off, you can try to reset it back to stock. I'm not going to do that now because there's not an issue with it, but that could have been very useful to me before. And this has bidirectional, so you can check like your fuel pump. They always go bad in these things. So in here, I can go into system diagnose. We have all our sensors, four-wheel drive status, pretty cool. instrument panel cluster, live data, data. Okay, coolant temp. You can get that live data there. How cool is that? Your fuel level, 20%. Yeah, that's probably about right. Your miles. Let's see, the one I'm looking for is voltage. Trans temp. See if it had the cool stuff. So much stuff you can do in here. Go into your auto ride. Let's see here. Read the trouble code. There's no trouble code. Through here. Okay. I'm going to go back so you can see it has all different cars. America. You can add your own vehicle. Asia. Get out of here. Has special functions, updates, remote control. Go into settings, do all kinds of stuff. Go to home. And you can play your music, you can record, you can open up like your manuals in here, calendar, and then diagnose. Another thing is to do a report. You can write up your report. Yep, right here. Share this, showing, yep, print it out. It shows you all the information on there. The really awesome stuff, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.